How to check mutual friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, locate your Snapchat application and then open it. Now, when you try to see if you have any mutual friends with any person, you will notice that there is no such feature which will show you which will show you the mutual friends you have with them. This is because Snapchat wants to keep users privacy, but you will not be able to see the mutual friends. But what you can do is, when someone sends you a friend request and if they have someone mutual, you will get to see that the number of mutual friends you have with them, but not exactly who the mutual friends are. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.